I'm trying to drink dry tea.
Dry tea? Dry martini?
Let's start this. I'm having a martini. That's why I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
Hello.
Hello. I was like.
So, this video we are going to be looking at. Well, we don't really know if they're cute or what,
funny,
but
or
we're
disgusting.
looking at pictures, and we have to give the picture a voice, right?
Yeah, we're gonna, well, you'll see. We know what we're doing. So our friend Emily, she's always in our videos because we have no friends.
They always hear me, but I don't think they've ever seen me.
She was like one of our first, she is like the first subscriber.
Besides ours.
So we're gonna close our eyes while Emily puts down the laptop.
I'm ready.
I want my chai tea.
Well, we never figured out who's gonna go first.
Emily, Emily, think of a number.
Between 1 and 10.
Okay, I have thought of a number between 1 and 10.
What's yours, Austin?
6.
Mine's 7.
Mine was 6.
Okay. Austin, go.
They told me it was a large, and like, it's not. Like, I ordered this online. They lied to me.
Guys, it's not Christmas. I ordered a Thanksgiving sweater. I ordered one with leaves on it, and red is just not my color.
Next.
Oh, that's awkward.
Okay.
Space. Oh. Guys, I'm a fish and I'm not in water anymore. And I'm crying so I can produce my own water. I don't know. No.
All I can think of is Eeyore. Just.
That's exactly what I thought of. Like, I'm alone.
What is this?
This person over here is petting me. It's making me produce more tears because it makes me realize how many friends I don't have.
Okay, so do we want to do each face?
And the dogs!
I want to go for the dogs.
Okay.
Shaniqua! Oh, I don't know why I'm...
I got this, I got this. Did you fart? I can see the guy in the middle, this is exactly what he's thinking. All we wanted was a nice family photo, and the dogs ruined it again!
This happens every year!
No, he's like, this is gonna be a candid family photo. Ah!
You ready?
Yes.
Hey, what's up?
I don't have any teeth!
Oh, come get it, grab some kisses.
Hey.
I want to lick you. Next.
Oh. That is the cutest thing. What is it?
The baby.
I don't even know how to caption this one. She's just so adorable.
Yes! I have my first piano. It's awesome.
Mom, 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 mom,
Mom.
I just had my first baby. Mom, mom.
I have to give the guy some parenting tips. No. Great. Moving on. No one told him that he could breathe underwater.
Guys, do my cheeks look fat? I'm really self-conscious and my cheeks look fat today. Why do my cheeks look so fat?
Guys, I got new implants. Do you like them? I can't see anything below my feet. I don't have feet, I'm a fish. I can't see my fins, but that's okay. I've got these. Okay, moving on.
Oh my gosh.
Guys, look at my new shoes. Look at my new shoes. I got them on sale, and there it came with a matching hat.
I just had to do it.
And you know what it's like once you get something that matches? You have to take a picture.
Instagram. Instabug. I think.
Hello, ladies.
Want to shoot something sexy?
I can show you the ways.
Watch out for that action. That's the
I'm
voice.
a womanizer.
Yeah.
Oh. Hello. I'm just an innocent little bird, and I just want you to love me.
I've been beat up a lot in the past. My older brothers, even my mother, didn't like me. Will you hold me?
I just want to be loved.
Oh dear. Oh,
We're back.
well, that was fun.
Well, that was a good time. We hope that you enjoyed listening to us be ridiculous, and you should try this game sometime because it's pretty fun.
And if you guys, have any funny photos or photos that you would like to make us do,
Caption.
that's a better way to say that. Please send us some. You can send it through Twitter or you can send it through YouTube. But we would love to do this more because this is actually really fun. We got the idea from another video we saw. We're going to put that in the caption, the description below.
Bye.